Hello everyone, welcome to LX518. I just upgraded my GPU or graphics processing unit into GTI 1030 2GB DDR5 and also my RAM from 4GB to 8GB. This is the computer I'm using right now for video editing, a minimum requirements by Adobe Premiere Pro. But the question is, after multiple upgrades on your computer, does it really need to change your power supply into higher power rating? If you're not sure, don't worry. I am sharing you the method and simple calculation I've learned to decide if your power supply needs upgrade as well. Stay tuned. The details are coming up right now. Okay, the first step is to list down all the main parts of your computer and determine the power consumption. You can search online in case you didn't have the information available on hand. Like for example, in my case, I have CPU that consumes 65 watts, HDD 9 watts, motherboard 40 watts, 8 gig RAM 3 watts, GPU 35 watts. So the total power consumption is 152 watts. Second step is to identify your current power supply rating. For my case, my current power supply rating is 180 watts. Okay, so the last step is to see the power consumption of all computer parts against the power supply rating. This is where we decide if we need to upgrade the power supply. My computer parts consume a total power of 152 watts, and my power supply rating is 180 watts. So it is 84% power consumption. As the expert says, the power supply need to be upgraded at 70% power consumption. This for safety purposes, avoiding power supply stress and resulting computer parts life longer. Alright, that's all. Hope you learned something. If you like the video, please support, subscribe, like, and share. Anyway, I'm happy you've been here and see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.